Hi, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Jessica
You're from?
from Island of the Philippines.
What's your height?
I'm some kind of a 7
Wow, you're so tall. Wow.
7 feet.
Okay, can I know what's your talent?
As of now, I can sing, I can dance, and I can also
Sample.
act.
Yes.
Yes.
Sample of act.
What first?
Act? Wow, you're so galing, huh? Oh, sample of your voice?
What kind of voice? Like higher or lower?
Higher.
Can you give me some? Listen.
Listen. Ah, can you please continue? Wow! Wow, galing. Yeah. Oh, sample of your dance. Yeah, dirty dance. Parang that's not dirty dance, that's Kadiri dance. Wow, Alamarian Rivera. Yes. Say something about yourself.
I am studying of law, but now but now I'm taking up doctor.
Wow! Akala ko low yung low, hindi pala. Okay.
Can you please make unmute your questions? Like I can't hear it, I can't understand. Make it clear.
Okay, I'm sorry, miss. Miss? What's your name?
Get
What's your name again?
get.
Gendra?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a boyfriend?
From now on, I don't think what boyfriend is, but all I have to think is my career. But I'm not pursuing my dreams, and I'm not failing my achievement in life.
Wow! Clap, clap.
Applause.
Ano ba sa English yun? Pwede ba Tagalog?
No, I can't understand. Sorry for that. Say something. Say something. Say something already. Lately. What's on my mind? My mind is how to dispose of our garbage. Our garbages. That's all. That's because the Philippines now are in the crisis of some floods and some governments with our that's all.
Kasi ano sa English yun? Ito
I
yung
don't
nandyan.
know.
Paano ka namin mapipili?
What?
Ano ba yun?
If I'm not mistaken, you want to say that how can you choose to be a winner?
Yeah. How can I
am so
choose you to be a
qualified
winner?
because okay, fully qualified. Of course, as you can see, my height is my face looks like so green and beautiful.
Wow.
And now, it's up to you if you don't want to choose me. If you want to choose me, you have a taste. But if you don't, sorry for that. You don't
What's your, ano ba yun? Wala si ma'am. Body size daw ba? 30.
Body size status.
Yes.
7, 3, and 3.
Wow, you're so sexy.
Definitely I am.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.